This is an introduction of creating a new composition, creating a shape, animating that shape. Close this screen when it shows up. Click on New Composition. For presets, select HDTV 1080 29.97 frames per second. For duration, this will be a 10-second comp. Make sure your numbers look like this: 0, 00, 10, 00. Another way this can look, it might look as a bunch of zeros, then just type in the number 300 for duration. To zoom in and zoom out, use your wheelie mouse or use the magnifying glass. Click to zoom in, Option or Alt click to zoom out. Also right here, you can zoom in and out by using the numbers. Fit will fit it within this area. 50%, composition window would take up 50% of this area. Next, save the project. File, Save As. Save As again. Make a photo on your computer and save this as exercise 1. Just call this E001. Create a new shape. This is a shape. Click on it. Select Ellipse tool, which will give us a circle. Hold down the Shift key as you drag to create a circle. When you're done creating a circle, pick up the Move tool, which is the V key. Click in the composition area anywhere, and click on the circle again. Make sure it's pivot points in the center. And if you don't see this pivot in the center, pick up the Pan Behind tool, turn on snapping, and move that pivot point to the center. You picked up the Pan Behind tool or the Anchor Point tool, that's its other name. Click up the Move tool. Move your circle off the screen. If you don't see it, you'll see a bounding box. If you don't see bounding boxes, go under View, Show Layer Controls. So View, Show Layer Controls has to be checked. Select Shape Layer 1 from the Layer palette. Open up Transformations. If you don't see that, click this triangle, click Transformations, click on Position. Playback head is at frame 0. You made a mistake, just click on the position stopwatch again to erase all those keys. Move your playback head to here, clicking and dragging it, click on Position. Next, move your playback head to the other end of the timeline. Select the circle, hold down the Shift key, right there. Drag your playback head, and now you have an animation of a circle going like this. Press the space bar to play it. Real exciting, right? 10 seconds of this. If your space bar isn't playing, go to this side, look for shortcuts, and make sure it says space bar within the preview area. You can also click this play button to play it. Go somewhere in the middle between this keyframe and this keyframe. Say to frame 150. Drag the circle upward. The circle slowly going up. You should be seeing tangent points here, and you can use that to click and drag to adjust the tangents. We'll see more of this later in the semester. Render this out, post a link to YouTube, and send this to me. To render out, File, Export, Add to Media Encoder. Wait for the project to be populated within Media Encoder. From this first column of composition, composition 1, make sure H.264 is selected. If you don't see that, click the triangle and select H.264. Match high bit rate is fine for now. For output, select the folder. And I'm calling it E001. This would be named E001.mp4. Click on Save. Press Render. Green arrow. Starts it. And now it's rendering. You're done. Congratulations. If you click this link, it'll lead you to the file you just created. You can double click to view it. Awesome.